Hey, Jane here from our recipe tree, and once again I am making cobbler. This time it is a blackberry cobbler and more cakey, which is kind of what I'm more used to. So right here I'm just mixing up the blackberries with a little sugar, butter, and cornstarch. So now I've put those nice blackberries, and look at my blackberries. They are ginormous. You cannot buy these in a grocery store because that would cost you like, holy crap, that's like 6 cups of blackberries. You'd go broke making this cobbler. But blackberries grow prolifically here at the farm. Okay, so now I am making the batter. I am just whisking together 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. To that, I am going to add 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter melted, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So we're just gonna mix this until it's still slightly lumpy. So we're just gonna stir that around and then pour it over top of our berries. Don't you love when you don't have to get that mix master out? That sucker weighs a ton. Anyways, I'm gonna pour my batter on top, nothing fancy, and then it's gonna go in the oven at 350. I'm gonna say for an hour, but I haven't checked the recipe. Maybe it's 45 minutes, maybe it's less. Who the heck knows? Okay, my oven is preheated to 350. Gonna pop this sucker in there for 1 hour. By the way, shout out to allrecipes.com is where I got this one. But if it's a winner, it will be on ourrecipetree.com.
Look at that.
So I had a bit of a fail on this recipe though. I asked Siri to set a timer for 1 hour. She responded, and then I later on said, okay, Siri, how much timer is left on my timer? And she told me there was no timer set. What? Siri? I got a mind to call Apple.